Hi everyone, thank you for coming back to the 3-minute piano lesson. We left off with showing you some staff with the 5 lines and the 4 spaces, so I wanted to continue on with that, do a follow-up on it. It is a good time to do that. You can see this page is a lot more detailed than my last page, and I filled a lot more in. I still have my G clef here, highlighting the G line, and I still have my F clef here, and I highlighted the F line. It's a good habit to get into. Those are guide notes, and there's that G. I put one in. If you're resting your thumb on middle C, the G would be finger 5. C, D, E, F, G. It is that G, and that is that middle C. These are the same notes, but I turned them into half notes. You would just hold them longer. Down here I explain that the half note gets 2 beats. And of course we'll talk more about this in the future. Oh, by the way, when you have the G clef and F clef, and you draw the line to connect the 5 lines together like that, and then you have this little brace, it's called the grand staff. Also, too, on the very end of songs, I just put one in here kind of rough. It's a skinny line with a fatter line, means end of song. And you'll notice that on music now as you look at it. Down here, I had drew F on the F line. And I would like you to practice these notes this week. You can download this form. You could make your own staff lines and spaces. Just be very careful that you're being exact and that you're drawing the notes on the right lines. When you add a dot to a half note, it turns it into a dotted half note and it adds another beat. So there's a whole lot of information on this page, and that's kind of why I just left it alone for this one video. A lot of information on it. So in between the bar lines, they're called measures, and I didn't even write that in, but just looking at it, I can see that. Oh, this F is the F I pointed out in the last video. If you have your thumb, left thumb, sitting on middle C, then you go down 5 notes, and your little finger is sitting on that F. So now you know where middle C is, you know where G is, and you know where that F is. And we will talk again next week. Bye.